Now in this video we are going to take up one more problem on development of lateral surfaces of solids. How to solve this problem by using the SolidEdge software. The problem reads as a square pyramid of 25 mm base edges and 50 mm height rests with its base on HP with all of its base edges equally inclined to VP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP at 60 degrees passing through the extreme right corner of the base. Draw the development of the lateral surfaces of the pyramid. So to do that, first I will go for the SolidEdge screen, and this is the default set screen for A2 size. I want to change it to A4 because I need to take the printout in A4. So to do that, so go to the sheet 1 at the lower left corner and then right click on the mouse button, click on sheet setup, and in the background sheet you select A4. You don't want to show background, you disable it and say OK. So the sheet will go into shrinks from A2 to A4, then you fit the display to A4. Once you do that, now you can see in the IntelliSketch, you make sure that endpoint, intersection and horizontal or vertical is enabled, and all other options you make it disabled. So first I need to write the text, that is the question. So to do that, you go to text and here take Times New Roman, okay, select this and take the font size for 4 for writing the question. Now you select the position, a square pyramid of 25 mm base edges and 50 mm height rests with its base on HP with all of its base edges equally inclined to VP. Equally inclined to VP. It is cut by a plane perpendicular to VP and inclined to HP at 60 degrees passing through the extreme right corner of base. Draw the development of the lateral surface of the pyramid. Right click, then you go to move, come down to this, select this and place it wherever you want. Then go to zoom window. Now I want a square pyramid of 25 mm base edges. So go to line, take 25, angle is 0. So sorry. First thing is you just delete this. So go to line, select the line width as 0.05. So take this line, 25, angle is 0, then 25, angle is 90, then 25, angle is 180, then 25, angle is minus 90. Okay. Then you go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint, then you take endpoint of this to endpoint of this, and go to group, select this entire thing, you make it as a group. Then you go to rotate, don't copy, select this, take the intersection point, horizontal, you make it the angle as 45 degree, and then you keep it like this. Then go to move, select this entire drawing and place it wherever you want. So once you do that, you go to select this and make it 0.5. Okay. Then you have a line command, draw one horizontal line of any length and take the height, go to offset, take the distance as 50 mm, select this and offset it and go to line, take end point of this till here, end point of this and end point of this. Okay. Then go to trim these sides. Okay. Then go to line, take end point to this end point to this end point. Then go to delete this line. Go to split this line till here. Now you go to incline to HP at 60 degrees. So go to extreme right corner. So go to line, take end point, then take 100 mm. Angle is 120 degrees. Okay, that is this, the angle will be 60 degrees to the base, to this. Okay, yes. Now similarly you draw one line here on this side of any length and go to extend to next. Okay, then you go to select, delete this, then you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you go to delete this line, extra lines, whatever it is there, you remove it first. Then you come down to line command, draw a line from end point on this side, similarly end point on this side to this side. Then go to zoom window, bring it near to the screen and go to split this line till here and then you split this line till here and go to select these two and here you make this as 2 mm. Okay, then you select this line and you take this as big dash, small dash, like this. Now you go to split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Of course you don't have anything which is there for that, so you select all these three and make this as 0.5. Now once you do that, so you have the drawing completed both in the front view as well as in the top view. Now we want to go for dimensioning, so go to format, modify, go to general, make everything black. Okay, come down to text, take Times New Roman and then the font size as 3, go to lines and coordinates, make it 0.1 and say OK, then apply. Now you go to distance between, select the square symbol, OK, select between these two, so you're going to get square 25, then go to select, clear this and say OK now. Now you come down to this zoom window in the front view, go to distance between, select this end point, fit, go to this, go to distance between, select this point and this point, you make it horizontal or vertical and make it 50, and then you have the angle between this line and this line, you are going to get 60 degrees. Okay, now you go to top view, name them now, so go to text. Here the font size is 3, so take small letter A, then B, then C, then D, then O. Here it is O1. Okay, right click, then go to move, take A here, then B here, then C here, then D here, then O and O1. So this is the first thing, that is the top surface. Then you come down to the select this line and this line, make it 0.13. Then you go to text, so you put the caps lock on, type capital X, Here capital Y, here it is VP, then HP, then here it is A dash, then we have B dash, then you have C dash, then you have D dash, then you have O1 dash. Okay. Now here text O dash. Okay. Now you go to move, disable copy, take X. In this case it is VP, HP, A dash, B dash, and here it is D dash, and here it is O1 dash, C dash. Since the slanted OA and OC are parallel to VP, so this O dash will be in O dash, either O dash A dash is also in true length and O dash C dash is also in true length. So you go to distance between, select this line, okay, and you go to by 2 points. So you're going to get it as 53.03. So you just go to this and check whether you have 53.03 or not. Yes, 53.03. Okay. Now once you do that, now I need to go to here. You go to move this and keep it here. Now we go for a line command, draw one horizontal line of any length, then go to circle, take endpoint of this. So what is the radius? Radius is 53.03. So now once you do that, now I need, since the base is parallel to HP, AB, BC, CD and DA all are equal, wherein you have the side as 25. So go to arc by center point, take the intersection of these two, radius is 25 and the sweep angle as 10 degrees. So you just click over it. Then you go to zoom window, bring it nearer. Then again you go to arc command by center point, take intersection, radius 25, sweep angle is 15 degrees. Give more so that you will have a better arc length. Take radius 25, sweep angle is 15. Click area. Again you take radius 25, sweep angle is 15 degree. So you take this here. Okay. Then you go to trim this line and this line. So go to line, take endpoint to this endpoint to this intersection to this endpoint. Similarly, endpoint of this to intersection point of this to endpoint of this to intersection of this to endpoint. Similarly, endpoint of this to endpoint of this. Now we have the pyramid without considering the section plane. Now we want to move all these things. So I will move this nearer to this. Okay. Then come down to zoom window. Okay. So here first thing is I want to name them. So to do that, so here I will take text. I will mark this as O. Here it is capital A, capital B, capital C, capital D, and here capital A. Then again you go to move, take O. Here it is A, here it is B, here it is C, here it is B, here it is A. Now since the base edges are retained, so none of the section plane is passing through the base edge, it is retained. So the first thing is OA is open, so I will mark that point as 1 dash. Okay. Then it is cutting on OB, so I will take it as 2 dash. Then it is at C, so I will take 3 dash. Then you have OD, so O dash is visible, OD dash is invisible, so the sectional point is also becomes invisible. Then go to move, select this and you keep it here. Then you take 2 dash, then you have 4 dash here, then you have 3 dash here. Okay. So I need to name them. Since OA is parallel to VP, so O dash A dash is in true length. So you take the endpoint of this to endpoint of this, which will be 12.75. Then you go to line command, draw a line in the horizontal position. Okay. And now you go to trim this portion and take this distance because it is parallel to VP, 20.56. Now we want 12.75 and C is already in true length. So here I will go for an arc command, OA, no? So go to circle, take this as the center point. What is the radius you want? The radius is 12.75. Okay. So you take this 12.75. So it is cutting on OA. Okay. So go to split this in the anti-clockwise direction. Then similarly on this side. Then you similarly on this side. Similarly on this side. So go to text. Remove this. Okay. Okay. So this will going to become 1. So this point will be 1 and this point will also be 1. Okay. So the first is over. You take this. Remove this. 12.75 is not required. Then you take 20.56. So go to circle. Take endpoint. Take the radius as 20.56, which will be on B and D. So go to split this circle now on this side and split this circle on this side, split this circle on this side and split this circle on this side. So go to select it and remove it. You remove this and you remove this. Now this will be 2. So you take this as 2 and this as 4. And obviously this point will be at 3. Okay. One should do that. So this will be at 3. Okay. Then you delete this line. It is not required. So now you go to zoom window. Go to move. Select one and this one nearer. This 2 here. Okay. This 4 here. Then this 3 here. Okay. Now you go to line command. Line, take intersection to this intersection to this endpoint to this intersection to this intersection. Okay. One should do that. Now we will have split this line till here, split this line till here, then you split this line till here, then you split this line till here. Then go to select, draw the lines joined. Okay. Similarly on this side. Okay. Take this and take this, take this and take this and take this. Make it 0.5. Okay. Then you take this, make it 0.5 again. Okay. This is how you will be able to create the drawing. Now you go to move, select 4 and take it here. Then 2, take it on this side. Okay. Now this is the development what you have. So go to distance between, select this line and this line, which will be 25, and you take end point of this to end point of this, which is 53.03, and go to text and here you type development. This is how you will be able to write the solution for the problem of a square pyramid, wherein in this you need not have to find the true length because here one of the slant edges is parallel to VP. So this is your final solution, how we can be able to solve and draw by using the SolidEd software. Thank you.